Hi folks, this is another lock picking video. This time we're going to be attempting to single pin pick a Wilson Bohannon brass 5-pin padlock. I quite like these locks. I got this one from Florida on eBay, and because Florida is quite a dry state, when I got this lock the shackle didn't open, so with a wee bit of TLC and WD-40 it now pops quite nicely. But it's a nice wee lock, there's good weight to it, good solid feel. They're a good lock for beginners like myself to pick. Pins are quite easy, opens quite easy. It also came with working key, as you can see. And it opens either way, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Quite a nice wee key as well. There's the bitting on it there. A nice wee Wilson Bohannon stamp there on it too. It's quite nice. Quite nice. I found that these take quite heavy tension. Reasonably heavy. So I'm going to use a Southward Slimline half diamond and Peterson pry bar light. This particular lock picks anti-clockwise. Some Wilson Bohannons pick clockwise. This one's anti-clockwise. I don't know whether that's a safety feature or not, but it seems to be easier to pick this anti-clockwise. So give it reasonably heavy tension. Just work off the ward. Start from the back. And that's it. Oh. Anyway, just sticks. There you go. There's sort of the keyway there. Sort of lock back up again. And that's your Wilson Bohannon brass 5-pin padlock. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.